Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Aquarius. Seven of Swords, King of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you are clear about what you want to do in your life. You see your path and you're attempting really hard to try and overcome whatever obstacles you're facing in your life, guys, and you are achieving it. That is the energy here. You were struggling really in the past. You have put up a great fight in your life. Till now you were trying really hard to manifest things. You were competing, struggling in your work or in your relationship with this person. You were trying really hard to make things right in your life, guys, and today you are succeeding. Finally you have what you want in life, the position, the status, or this in this relationship with this person. You are securing your boundaries. You what to say, you're making a place for yourself in this relationship, and this person loves you for what you are, for what you have become of after facing so many challenges in your life, after facing so many troubles, and the way you have overcome them. They are really happy for you, guys. They are really happy how things have turned out for you, how things are changing in your life, because they knew you from before. They would have known you in the times of your troubles, and they are really happy how things are going your way, guys, how things are working out for you after struggles. You're enjoying that happiness, contentment, and joy about how things are what to say, working out your accomplishments. They are really happy for it. They are really happy for it. That is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Aquarius. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel a little tiredness or sickness, something minor, guys, today, or some minor losses in your work, something of that sort, but it is not a major energy here. The energy with these cards is that you have worked your way to your success. That is the energy with these cards, guys. You have tried really hard to overcome all your obstacles. Cross, man, rider, bear, book. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel maybe for some of you all, this person you're with, they may be having a great ambitions in life, or their focus may be on something different. That may also be the reason that the struggle was there in your relationship, or you were struggling because of that, guys. And some great news is coming your way, guys. Some important announcement is coming your way. Maybe this person with whomever you are with, they are coming towards you with a proposal, or they want to get engaged, or they want to get married to you. That may also be the energy here, guys. And for some of you all, you would feel that you have done a great deal in your life. So long you have sacrificed so many things, and you have that state of fulfillment because of your present state. You feel really accomplished and successful in your current day. That is the reason you're feeling that sense of accomplishment in your heart. You feel that universe is guiding you in a particular way. Maybe that is karma or fate, whatever it is. That is the way you feel towards your life. That may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be having people or friends who are giving you suggestions or counseling you regarding some financial matters or something really important, maybe in this relationship or maybe in your life, something really important, guys, and you are learning something new. Maybe you're going to some workshops, you're going for learning something, or you're getting some information about someone or this person or somebody in your family. That would have been the reason for your struggles or troubles, and you're getting the information and you're feeling really happy because your doubts have cleared. So that may be the news here. Something important is coming your way, Aquarius. That may be the reason for your happiness, and this person really feels happy for you guys, for how you have overcome all your obstacles and the way you are today. So they're really happy for you. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. Harmony. So the angels guidance for today is harmony, guys. So it just means happiness and contentment in our heart. Sometimes in life we face so many conflicts and struggles in our thoughts, in our actions, in our situations. So sometimes we need to go through our life without any fear, without any judgments. So we need to accept what others say and do with an open heart. So when you do that, we just allow ourselves to experience more love and peace, and things just go in a very peaceful way in our life, guys. So that is the angels guidance for today, Aquarius, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.